So, Bollywood aspirations have taken two more lives. My advice is still same unless you two make things clear with each other. Just don't involve with each other. If women is not willing to have sex with you, don't involve yourself with her. And in case of women, if you are not mentally prepared to have sex with some men, don't involve yourself with this man. Moreover, there are a few fools men who think that just because some women have started having sex with him, he owns him, he owns her now. So if you are a woman, you need to make this thing also clear with these fools, that just because we two will begin having sex with each other, it does not mean that you you own me. It does not mean that I cannot leave you and go on and move on in my life. So men need to be told that just do not involve yourself with any girl who is not willing to have sex with you. Second, sex does not mean commitment. Just because some woman is having sex with you, it does not mean that she is going to live with you forever. And women need to be told that every man is dreaming about having sex with women. So you involving yourself with some man means that you need to have sex with her. You cannot be with some man without sex. It is not possible. And if you'll try to do it, there will be consequences, and you may have to face some serious consequences of your foolishness of treating a man like a woman and thinking that she will stay with you like another female friend. It is not possible. And women also need to be told to talk. There are so many women who simply prefer to keep their mouth shut, and they just do not make things clear with boys at all, which is what leads to frustrations, and frustrations leads to complications, and complications leads to quarreling and bickering and fighting and troubles, and all these things leads to violence, and violence leads to end of a life. So women begin talking, telling men what you want, what you do not want. Even if you want to leave a man, first sit with him and make things clear, and then leave him and move on in your life. And just don't ever think that men are women. Men are men, women are women. So the first requisite of being with a man is to have sex with him. Don't think he will stay with you like another female. It is not possible. This is not some Bollywood movie going on. We are living in real world, and evolutionary speaking, we are still animals. Just because we have started wearing good clothes and like living our life under the influence of scripted stories, it does not make us any different. So if you'll forget those truths, those facts about human beings, that we all are animal, we have animalistic instincts in us, and begin living your life on these scripted stories and begin having Bollywood aspirations, this is where it will lead to in most of the times, in most of the cases. So girls, do not involve with any man you do not want to have sex with, and learn to talk with men. They do not understand anything by themselves. Even if you want to leave them, make things clear with them by talking. And men, you need to understand that if she is not having sex with you, you keep yourself away from her, because it will lead to depression, and depression may lead to a crime. And you boys, you fools, also need to understand that just because some women have started having sex with you, it does not mean that she is going to be with you forever. She still is a human who can still change, who can have different aspirations, who can have different needs and wants and desires in her life. And because of different aspirations and needs and desires, she may leave you. You need to be mentally prepared about it. So if a woman leaves you, don't feel bad about it. Be mentally prepared about it. Just let all the people go from your life who wants to go. Never try to force them, never try to beg them, never try to negotiate your attraction with them. This is all what you need to learn and understand. So I hope the message is clear.